In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete the QuickBooks certification for accountants. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or new to the field, earning your QuickBooks certification can enhance your skills and career prospects. This certification is not only a great credential to add to your resume, but also a useful tool that helps you offer more to your clients. Let's dive right in. First, we begin by navigating to the QuickBooks Pro Advisor page. This is where you'll find all the information needed to become a certified Pro Advisor. You can easily access this through QuickBooks' official website. It's important to have an internet browser ready on your device as we will be using it to complete the certification process. When you arrive at the site, take a moment to explore this resourceful page. It offers a fantastic overview of what being a Pro Advisor entails, as well as the benefits that accompany it. Once you are on the page, you'll see an option prominently displayed as Get Started. Click on this. This step is straightforward and is designed to guide you to the next phase of your journey towards certification. Clicking Get Started initiates the process and leads you to the QuickBooks Pro Advisor portal. This portal is a hub of knowledge and training opportunities specifically tailored for accounting professionals. Explore this hub as much as possible to understand the various courses and resources available at your disposal. Next, you'll need to sign up for QuickBooks. The sign-up process is simple and intuitive. You'll create an account that will serve as your access to the Pro Advisor training materials. Having an account also allows QuickBooks to track your progress as you work through the certification materials. Remember, all these steps are crucial in building the foundation of your online training presence. Once your account is set up, log in and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is your base for all certification activities. Following the sign up, you're directed to visit the US site of QuickBooks where you'll find various pricing plans. At this stage, you can choose the plan that best suits your needs and your budget. Assess each plan carefully and select accordingly. QuickBooks offers multiple pricing options, some of which come with additional features that might be initially appealing or better suited for your professional needs. Moreover, if you wish to supplement your learning, you can explore free webinars available on the QuickBooks website. Simply navigate to the Help option on their site to find these resources. These webinars can be a valuable addition to the certification materials, offering insights and tips from experienced professionals. And there you have it, you are now well on your way to becoming a certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor. With dedication and a bit of time, you can utilize these steps to successfully complete your certification, make the most out of the resources offered, and soon you will be able to enhance your service offerings to your clients. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you all the best on your QuickBooks certification journey.